Hi guys, this is softmemeware here and welcome to the product LifeMeet. So this is the dashboard and member city of this tool. In this video I will show you the product totally from inside and I will show you each and every option. So let me start with a brief about this product. As the name is already showing you the LifeMeet, the meet stands for basically for webinar or meeting or I like type something like that. Okay, so let me start with the product now. This tool will give you to allow you to do unlimited webinars, meetings and conference and same thing like that. And also in this video I will show you that how you can get my bonuses also. 9 crazy bonuses will be given to you, like big value bonuses will be given to you with this tool totally free once you have just purchased it from this page, from this website. So from the description link you can visit this page and you can get the product. Sorry. So let me start with this tool. So this is the dashboard and there are some numerics inside the dashboard and instant meeting segment, contacts and to-dos. So let me start with start a meeting. So this is the main button I can think of inside this tool, and inside this button you will be given the audio conference, the live class, the podcast, the video conference, the webinar, whichever you want to you can start. Let me show you the live chat. So inside the live chat, if I click on here, so it will allow me to start a group chat, to start a one-to-one conversation or like live conversation, like live chat. You can start the live chat, or what you can do, if someone messages you, you can also reply them by clicking this message button. This is a live chat, this is a group chat, and this is a message, normal message. And now let me start with a video conference or maybe webinar. So let me start with a webinar. So let me allow my video camera. So this is me. So as you can see, this is me recording the video, and while the video is recording or while I am sharing my screen, I can mute my audio at any instant. I can mute my video. I can device and bandwidth. I don't know what is device and bandwidth. Maybe the resolution or the speed thing, the speed of the internet. I can share file from my computer. So it is taking time, not taking time. Basically you have to choose file and you have to share it. If you want to, at any instant you can share your screen, or you can start recording your screen, or you can show your whiteboard, like you can write anything inside the whiteboard. Pretty awesome. Like every features for possible inside the webinar, inside the meeting is given to you inside this tool. And also as you can see, there are so many buttons, so many features, like this is the text feature. You can write anything. This is the image feature. You can insert image. You can convert so many high sales with this kind of webinar, and this type of marketing is going on very much. So let me just leave it and let me just now show you show you just that how can I share my screen. I have already showed you to share my screen, and let me just show you. This is a live meeting and this is a recording. I have showed to you a whiteboard and share screen. Let me show you the share screen. So this is my sharing screen facility. As you can see, this is kind of OBS Studio. If you are known about OBS Studio, this is the OBS Studio thing, like the same thing which is given in OBS Studio. That kind of high premium software is given inside pre-installed it. Okay, so the next thing is the instant meeting. The meetings, these are pretty much same. I don't think I have to show you. The segment thing, you can schedule your meetings or staffs. And this is the contacts, and this is the to-do list, also the scheduling thing. So now let me show you. Now let me do it bit faster. So these are the ratings and this is the cost. I never ever seen this kind of low cost for this kind of tool. Okay, I have promoted a software which was named as Infinite Webinar or Infinite Webinar. that was charging 17 bucks for the same features, almost same features, for the same features, not exact same feature. They have not given the exact screen recording like OBS studio, but they are charging 17 bucks. But this is the most cheapest price I have ever seen, the 14 bucks. And also additionally, you are secured by 30-day no satisfaction money back guarantee. So this is the launch period, 28th of March, 11 a.m. EST, and huge bonus pack. Let me show you the bonuses, and these are the quick features you can go through if you want to. This is live action video, 2 minutes video, which I have showed to you, that will be shown inside this video. And this is my word, this is surprisingly cheap. I really, what comes from my heart, I have written here. So these are the sales funnel you can go through if you want to. Basically, if you purchase any upsell from my website, you will be given more bonus. So this is a free bonus as usual. You can ask me anything about make money online and you will be answered from my Facebook page. So my bonus number 1 is the social boost and Everlead and 6 more software. Okay, so the social boost is all about getting social traffic, and Everlead is evergreen lead method. Okay, automatically, this is a plugin. Everlead is a WordPress plugin. You can install it to get the leads by passively, very passively, while you are sleeping. You can get the lead, that kind of plugin. And also 6 more software will be given inside my bonus number 1. Bonus number 2 is $10,000 per month secret online video training. Bonus number 3 is Webinar Authority. Webinar Authority is a kind of tool that will help, is that kind of tool that will help you to make any webinar successful. Like what should you do in any webinar, what should you don't do, what should you do not do any webinar, that kind of stuff will be given to you inside Webinar Authority. Bonus number 4 is solo ad listing bill, like how you can get the solo ads, how you can choose your vendor and get the conversion. Okay, and also make your buyers list very easily, very fastly. And the next thing is this is a PDF email marketing manifesto, 10k email manifesto. Like it is all about email marketing, but these days people do not like much about the reading. I don't know if it will be good for you or not, but there is everything the reading is a very good thing, and you can get more detailed knowledge inside reading. Otherwise, inside video you will be given the gist of the thing or the summary of the thing. Inside my bonus number 6, you will be given internet marketing toolkit, which is all about a full package that will help you with your sales video, banners, swipes, cheat sheets, mind map. Everything is written here. Like you can launch your own product like inside affiliate marketing. And inside bonus number 7, you will be given the Bing Mastery ad training course. Bing is the most cheapest ad you can run ever inside internet. So the next thing is vendor bonus. Like vendor by default, vendor is giving with this product so many bonuses. These are the bonuses that will be given to you totally free, and also these are the bonuses that will be given to you totally free with this product. From anywhere you can purchase it, you will be given. And the next thing is, if you purchase the upsell, you will be given more valuable, more costlier bonuses, like the 200 plus more softwares, plugin package, and also image, and also the dual character image pack and sound music tracks free. What you have to do, that after purchasing the product, from clicking this button, you have to go through this blue button. That is very simple. So I think I should leave now. I am leaving now. So bye bye.